Welcome to the AI Opus, or as we like to call it, TAO. I'm Sarah, your friendly AI aficionado.
And I'm Mike, the curious mind, who's here to ask all the questions you might be thinking. Hey Sarah, how's it going?
I'm doing great, Mike. Excited to dive into today's AI news. It's been quite a busy 24 hours.
Absolutely, let's get started. What's first on our list?
First up, we have Superhuman, which just rolled out an exciting new feature called Auto Label. It's an AI tool designed to categorize your emails into labels like marketing, social, and news. Plus, you can create custom labels and even generate what they're calling split inboxes for better management.
Sounds like a game changer for email organization. But what are split inboxes exactly?
Great question, Mike. Split inboxes essentially separate emails into different categories automatically, so you can focus on what's most important at any given time. It really helps streamline the process.
That sounds handy. And I heard there are some enhancements to their reminder features too.
Yes, they've enhanced their reminder feature with AI-generated follow-ups for unanswered emails. It's like having a virtual assistant to keep you on track. Future updates might even include auto-drafting and sending replies, along with some automation workflows.
Wow, that's impressive. What's next on our list?
Next, we have Hyperlume, an Ottawa-based startup that's making waves with their microLEDs. These tiny LEDs transfer data faster than traditional copper connections in data centers. They've just raised $12.5 million in a seed round.
Micro-LEDs sound intriguing. How do they compare to fiber optics?
They actually mimic the performance of fiber optics, but come at a lower cost. Hyperlume's solution combines ultra-fast microLEDs with a low-power ASIC, making it a great option for scaling up bandwidth, especially in AI connectivity.
That's fascinating. Let's move on to something more mainstream. I heard Apple launched a new iPhone.
Yes, Apple introduced the iPhone 16e, a budget-friendly model priced at $599. It features the A18 processor with Apple Intelligence, which allows for text summarization, letter writing, and even image generation.
And they finally switched to USB-C, right?
Exactly. They're moving from Touch ID to Face ID as well, and the phone comes with a 6.1-inch OLED display and a 48-megapixel rear camera. It's a solid package, especially as Apple faces some challenges in the Chinese market.
Speaking of challenges, what's happening with Mistral?
Mistral's AI assistant, LeChat, has crossed 1 million downloads in just 14 days, topping the iOS App Store charts in France. Even President Macron is backing it, which is a huge boost for France's AI ambitions.
That's quite a feat. How does LeChat compare with other AI assistants?
It's competing with the likes of ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot, bringing a uniquely French touch to the AI assistant space.
Interesting. Let's switch gears to Sonos. They seem to be making headlines.
Indeed, Sonos raised $65 million, valuing the company at over $500 million. They specialize in speech-to-speech accent conversion AI, aiming to reduce bias in communication.
Accent conversion? That sounds like a delicate topic.
It is, Mike. They've faced criticism for potentially homogenizing accents, but Sonos argues that their tech is about reducing bias, not erasing cultural identities.
Got it. Now Google seems to be making some big moves too.
Definitely. They've removed their Gemini AI assistant from the Google app on iOS, making it a standalone app instead. Plus, they've launched Career Dreamer, an AI-powered career exploration tool, and AI Co-Scientist for scientific hypothesis generation.
And what's this about open sourcing AI?
Google plans to open source Ernie 4.5 in June. They're also influenced by Baidu's DeepSeek, which is quite interesting.
Speaking of Baidu, how are they doing?
Baidu reported a 2% revenue decline despite a healthy 26% growth in their AI cloud segment. They're also planning to release Ernie 4.5 source code in June 2025.
That's a lot happening. How about Karman Plus?
Karman Plus just raised $20 million for asteroid mining. They aim to develop autonomous spacecraft for extracting water and minerals with a target launch in 2027.
Asteroid mining sounds futuristic. Now, what's happening in the software development world with OneTab?
OneTab raised $3.3 million to develop OneAsk, an AI agent for software development workflows, competing with tools like Trello and Jira.
It's amazing to see AI making strides across different sectors. What's up with Lenovo?
Lenovo reported a 20% revenue growth driven by their hybrid AI strategy and AI-powered infrastructure solutions group. They're also partnering with NVIDIA for AI-enhanced data center solutions.
That's impressive. I know we're covering a lot, but what's the latest from the Indian government?
The Indian government ordered the removal of 119 apps from the Google Play Store due to national security concerns. This follows a trend of app bans since 2020, focusing on Chinese-linked platforms.
And I heard something about Map My India.
Yes, they've enhanced their Mapples app to support 9 Indian languages, benefiting 30 million users. It's a great move for accessibility and inclusivity.
I think we're almost there. Any last updates?
Just a couple more, Mike. Stock Technologies launched Jarvis GPT for retail analytics, and Codium is raising a new funding round at a $2.85 billion valuation. And don't forget about Microsoft's new endeavors in generative AI and quantum computing.
Wow, what a day in AI news. Sarah, thanks for breaking it all down.
My pleasure, Mike, and thanks to everyone for tuning in to Teo.
Catch you all next time, folks. Stay curious and stay informed.